pick it up. She may look mild, but she's wild underneath. All right, y'all, welcome back. Half Moon Customs, Big John. Gerald's, somewhere under there. So, tell him hi, Gerald.
Hi, how's it going?
We're bleeding some brakes, y'all. We got Uncle Jesse or Pawpaw Moon, whatever it is Gerald calls it. It's a 76 F100, right?
Yeah, 77.
77. I knew I was wrong. Anyway, we're bleeding brakes. He's got a new master cylinder on it. And it's early in the morning. I just got off work and thought I'd come over here and see if I could wear out my leg pumping some brakes. Helping Gerald. What do you think about that lineup, y'all? Look at that. Super cab, bump, and then of course the wife's ride. But you know, we're in a dent side, bump side. Look at that. He's got them lined up. Pump. Does that bring back any memories, y'all?
Getting any better?
No. All right. Holding.
All right.
Did you get any fluid?
Yeah.
Air?
I didn't hear any.
Okay. Maybe we ought to check our fluid.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think you've had enough fluid through, but I don't know.
Let's come out.
Let me see. I'm gonna go check it real quick.
All right. One go down, Andy?
Yeah, it went down a little bit. That's a good sign. Yeah, little rubber boot. Y'all gonna kick that back in because whenever the level goes down, the little boot will be sucked in. There we go. It's good enough. There he is. There's Gerald.
At least I can crawl underneath this one.
Yeah, and you got a nice paved pavement to work out of. That helps. All right, let's see what we get.
You get any kind of pedal?
Not really that I can tell. But obviously it's moving fluid.
I can hear the brakes now.
All right, go for it.
Yeah, that one nothing but fluid. Let me go to the other side.
You ready
I
for
ain't getting nowhere back here.
ready for me to pump?
Yeah, go ahead.
You may have to have it running with that booster on. I'm getting a little bit of pedal now. Yeah. Here, there, my leg's wearing out. All right. No, it's definitely got a little bit of pedal. Yep.
Oh yeah, I got air that time.
Yeah, I felt it. It wasn't on the floor.
Yeah, I got air that time. All right, go.
Let's do it again. And y'all may be thinking, that's an awfully good looking cup holder there. And you would be right. That is Half Moon Customs cup holder. I 3D print those. You could get your very own on eBay or Facebook. I sell them on there too. Or if you're just interested, you could just message me. But, all right, I'm holding.
Yeah, I'm getting air now.
Yeah, I'm getting a little bit more pedal.
I'm getting air.
Keep up the good work.
All right.
Yeah.
Getting better. I can hear spring clicking in it now.
Yep. And I feel a spring clicking in my knee too.
All right, well.
Holding.
Oh yeah, that was nothing but fluid that time. I'm gonna go to the front.
Go back to that other one on the other side first.
Okay. Yeah, I probably have to.
And then we probably need to check fluid in the back.
Well, you probably have to check it now.
Think so.
A bunch of them come out the black.
You tight? Is it tight?
Yeah. Hey, while you're out, throw me that towel in the front.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. All right. Back to duty. Ready?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh yeah, that's plenty of pressure there.
You want to do the front now?
Yeah.
Might as well. It'll have to be done. Got the Jensen cassette tape deck. Half Moon Customs.
You know what? They only
Badge?
hooked up on the key on the accessory.
They don't?
If you turn the accessory, the radio comes on.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
But it don't come on if you turn it to the...
No, when you start it up, it won't come on.
What?
I don't know why they did that, but he only wasn't listening to music when he was parked.
That doesn't make sense. Can I let go of the pedal now?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks for letting me know.
Well, I'm trying to crawl out. Oh. I ain't too quick.
Well, I turned the radio on. It ain't on.
It ain't on?
Uh-uh.
It might have quit on me. It's on AM, I think.
Yeah, I see that. See if we can get this old Jensen to work.
There's 6x9 in the back of it.
Is there?
Oh, I gotta get to the back side.
You need to do the other side, don't you?
I forgot they crown big on the front.
Oh, here we go. Woo! I don't know if y'all can tell, but that ain't a very good sound system. Well, turn off the copywritten music before we get in trouble for that. Whoa! Did you open it up?
Yeah, I was trying to get it to break loose.
You gotta let me know first.
All right. Go ahead, Paul.
Probably got some air in it that time. No, I don't know. It's getting stiffer. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah, there's a bunch of air.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nothing but air. All right, go.
Oh. Left leg switch.
Do the right leg get tired.
Yep. All right. This is just as much fun as y'all remembered it was.
Nothing but air.
Nothing but air?
Yeah.
Which side are you on?
I'm on the driver's side. I probably should start on the passenger side.
Yeah. You always start furthest from the master cylinder.
Yeah, I don't know why. I rolled off this side. That's right. That was nothing but air. Probably helped though, didn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's getting stiffer. I mean, it doesn't go all the way to the floor now. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm holding.
Well, I didn't get any air on this rod.
Did you get any fluid?
Yeah, I got both fluids.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Oh. Took a minute or two to build back up after that. All right, y'all. Well, we're going to fast forward from this point. Right now, my left knee is crying, and my right knee ain't feeling a whole lot better either. So we'll catch up with y'all here in a little bit when I get done pumping these brakes. It's just as much fun as y'all remember it was. I hope y'all didn't go anywhere. I'm still right here. We're gonna crank it up. She may look mild, but she's wild underneath. Go ahead and crank it up. Woohoo! Womp, 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 womp. Give us a break. Too loud. It sounds good. Oh, we're disturbing the neighborhood now.
Yeah. Hey, that is a lot better on that though.
Yeah.